Zendu and welcome to my brand new YouTube channel, Zendu's World. I am 8 years old and I have a big dream to make learning fun, exciting and inspiring for kids, students and even parents. Here we will explore cool general knowledge topics, learn new English words, to boost your vocabulary and discover amazing things together. Today I am going tell you how to use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is generative AI tool. In simple words, generative AI means you can make a new things like picture, story, song or anything. It can help students, parents, teachers and everyone. It's freely available over the internet. It's really simple to use and I will tell you how to use ChatGPT in very simple words. Suppose you are a maths teacher teaching for class 2 students and you want to create a maths question paper for them. So what would you do? You will open computer or laptop and start typing question paper. Typing all the questions manually can take 3 to 4 hours. But I will tell you how you can do it in just 2 minutes. This is called the message box, where you type your message. This message is also called a prompt. Now, I will write one simple prompt to create a maths question paper for class 2. So this is my prompt to create a maths question paper for class 2. Now press the enter key or click on the up arrow button. See how ChatGPT is creating maths paper. It's really amazing and mind blowing. Now it's your turn. Try to create one question paper for any subject. Suppose you are going to holiday with your parents for 1 week and you need to submit a leave note to your class teacher. I will tell you how to create leave note in just 2 minutes. So this is my prompt for creating a leave note. Now press the enter key or click on the up arrow button. See how ChatGPT is creating a leave note for me. It's really magic. What do you think? Many people find maths boring, but I will tell you how to use ChatGPT and make it simple. Suppose you have one equation. Can you guess the answer? Pause this video and try to solve it. Write your answer in the comment box. Now I will show you how to learn this equation using the ChatGPT. So, this is my prompt. Now, press the enter key or click on the up arrow button. Wow! This is really amazing. I hope now you have a basic idea of how ChatGPT works. You can also try this on your laptop or smartphone. On a laptop, simply open Google in the Chrome browser. Type ChatGPT and open the first link. Click on Try ChatGPT and you are done. On a smartphone, just download and install the ChatGPT app and you are ready to go. In every video, I will give you exciting challenges. Are you ready? Challenge number 1. Solve any mathematical equation of your favorite topic. Challenge 2. Write an email to your boss asking your promotion. Challenge 3. Create a small computer program based on any idea. Complete your challenge and write in the comment box. So friends, complete my challenge and write in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe and join me on this amazing journey of learning with fun. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye.